Thank you. What did you get?
So we've got it unscrews and it breaks down in 2 pieces. Easy to carry.
Like this place is so cool. This place is marvelous. It's got so much stuff you won't buy. It's so nice. Just bring money with you. So while I am looking for a bar table, Marcella is looking for plates and props.
For Marcella, it's difficult to resist when she sees antique plates and vintage glassware, especially if you like her like a photographer and you love antiques and vintage props. You can really get yourself a bunch of very interesting props, exactly like those. I had a look around and I found myself a little bit unhappy as I couldn't find a simple tabletop to be used at home. But I lost myself just looking at those siphons and other cups and glassware and so much. And look at those shakers. They were looking amazing, but quite expensive for my budget today. Browsing around, finally, maybe that or this one. Yeah, that looks like the one I wanted.
What did you get?
So we've got it. It's 2 pieces. It unscrews and it breaks down in 2 pieces. Easy to carry. This is my new bar. How exciting.
My new bar.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Someone is thinking, how are we going to fit that large cabinet up to the staircase in our apartment? Yeah, you're smiling now, you know what we're gonna face when we get to the flat. So, took out to the van, out from the van in a moment or two, we need to figure out how to take that thing up to those stairs, up to that narrow staircase, up to our room.
It took the driver an hour to bring the second part back, so he delivered to the wrong address. He went to another place, but now it's here with me. Yeah, shelves for the bar. Yeah.
Lo apro.
Yeah.
Lo apro.
Mettiti là, Are you excited about this home bar? Yes. Are you excited, Dave?
Cosa c'è qua dentro?
Are you gonna help us? Are you going to help? Are you going to help or not? Yeah, this is gonna be there. It kind of looks like that they messed up the colors, as we were supposed to receive all of them like this, but this massive one, this very big one, it's not a color. It's simply not what we were waiting for. But anyway, I mean, they have too much this. At the moment they don't. These, they do actually. But this doesn't, so it's going to be like we have to paint it. We have to paint it. I'm going to paint it. And it's gonna be fun.